Are you tired of trying countless trading strategies that just don't work? What if I told you there's one strategy you can rely on consistently to grow your portfolio? In this video, I'm breaking down the only trading strategy you'll ever need: simple, effective, and easy to implement. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome to your channel name, where we simplify trading to help you achieve financial freedom. Trading can feel overwhelming with so many strategies out there, but here's the truth: success in trading doesn't come from complexity. It comes from mastering one simple strategy that works. Today, I'm sharing a strategy that has stood the test of time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this is all you need. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this strategy, but also be able to apply it immediately to your trades. Let's get started. Most traders fail because they jump from one strategy to another, chasing quick wins. Sound familiar? This constant switching leads to confusion, losses, and burnout. But here's the truth: the best traders stick to one strategy and refine it over time. Let me introduce you to the trend following strategy, the only strategy you'll ever need. Here's why it works. Markets tend to move in trends up, down, or sideways. This strategy helps you ride the wave of these trends instead of fighting them. This strategy works because it aligns with the market's natural flow. Instead of predicting tops and bottoms, which is nearly impossible, you're simply following the direction where the big players are moving. Think of it as surfing. You're riding the wave instead of trying to create one. It's simple, repeatable, and minimizes emotional decision making. Let's break down a real example. Imagine the stock price of XYZ is in an uptrend. The 50-day EMA is above the 200-day EMA. The RSI dips below 30, indicating it's oversold. This could be your signal to buy. Place your stop loss slightly below a recent low and set a target profit based on the next resistance level. Over time, this disciplined approach can yield consistent results. Overcomplicating. Stick to the rules of the strategy. Don't add unnecessary indicators. Ignoring risk management. Always set stop loss and take profit levels. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Emotional trading. Trust the process. Don't let fear or greed dictate your decisions. And that's it, the only trading strategy you'll ever need. It's simple, effective, and designed to help you trade smarter, not harder. Remember, the key to success isn't knowing 100 strategies, it's mastering one. Take this strategy, practice it, and refine it to suit your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips like this. Comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover other topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading.